Now I'm gonna show you how I made 6.2 hours in one day using our tools. Here we are in a downtrend, so I saw this nice 12-hour supply zone. When I woke up, I saw that it almost touched the zone, but the reaction was strong. So I knew the price is going to go down. I then went down to the 5-minute time frame and I saw a head and shoulders forming here. I also saw here we have a nice zone. So my entry was around here, but with the stop loss, I wanted to cover also this zone. So I had my limit set like this. Let's see what happened. So here I got filled. Now I put my stop loss to break even. And the take profit was somewhere before this daily zone. Here's how the trade played out. So this was 6.2 hours in just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 hours. 7, 8 hours. This is how powerful our tools are.